In this video, we'll show you how to use 3D printing module by printing a smiling owl, including 3D printing module installation, leveling, generate G-code, start printing. So let's get started. First, switch to 3D printing module. Connect the touchscreen with DexArm. Tap 3D printing and tap change filament to preheat the nozzle to corresponding temperature. You can also use Rotrics Studio software to control. Open the software, click terminal from the top bar, send nozzle heating commands. M109 S190 for PLA, M109 S240 for ABS. Then let's set up the extruder and filament. Connect extruder and DexArm with the external motor cable. Install PTFE Bowden tube into the 3D printing module and extruder. Assemble the filament holder. Wait until it reaches target temperature. Insert the filament into extruder. Keep inserting until the nozzle squeezes out the filament. Clean the filament with tweezers. After the filament loaded successfully, let's do the leveling. First, put the build plate 15 cm in front of DexArm. Put a piece of A4 paper between the build plate and the nozzle. You can either use Rotrics Studio or touchscreen for leveling. Go to the control panel and find the Level button. Click Point A. Adjust the distance between the build plate and the nozzle with the down and up buttons. Keep adjusting until there's a slight resistance on the A4 paper from the nozzle. Click Save. Repeat these steps and level the remaining 3 points. When all 4 points are leveled, click Level. Before start printing, we need to calibrate the first layer to make sure the print sticks to the build plate. Put a piece of A4 paper between the build plate and the nozzle. Lower the nozzle with the Z- button. Keep adjusting until there's a slight resistance on the A4 paper from the nozzle. Click Set Work Height to adjust up the working height. To ensure the final 3D printing results, we need to redo the leveling and first layer calibration every time you switch to 3D printing from other functions. Then let's generate the G-code. Upload 3D model file. You can adjust model size, shape, and direction. Select 3 recommended printing profiles for slicing. Or you can add your customized printing setting. Click Generate G-code. Click Start Send to start 3D printing. You can also use the touchscreen to control. To do that, you need to copy your G-code file into the SD card. Make sure you finish the first layer calibration and go to SD card. Select the G-code file. Start 3D printing. After printing finished, remove the model from the print sheet. If you want to print another model, send the G-code file to DexArm and start printing. No need to recalibrate.